Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to study Law LLB. First, immerse yourself in foundational legal concepts and terminology right from the start. Grasping basics like contract law is crucial. Next, familiarize yourself with the legal system structure, including courts and legislative bodies. This provides essential context. Finally, begin developing robust legal research skills. Learning to navigate databases and academic journals effectively will save you countless hours. These initial steps lay a solid groundwork for your entire legal education. To master legal studies, active reading is paramount. Don't just skim. Analyze cases and statutes to pinpoint essential facts and legal rules. Next, develop comprehensive outlines and mind maps. These visual aids help consolidate vast amounts of information into manageable summaries, improving recall. Consider joining a study group with 3 or 4 peers. Discussing challenging concepts aloud often clarifies misunderstandings and offers new perspectives, reinforcing your understanding of intricate legal areas. Excelling in law exams requires strategic preparation. Regularly practice answering past exam questions under timed conditions. This builds speed and accuracy. Develop a systematic approach for issue spotting, identifying all relevant legal problems within a scenario. Then apply a structured legal analysis, such as IRAC, issue, rule, application, conclusion to each point. Finally, refine your legal writing. Clear, concise arguments, supported by relevant authority, can significantly improve your scores, often by 10 to 15%. Beyond academic studies, practical experience is invaluable. Seek internships or volunteer opportunities at law firms or legal aid clinics. Even a few weeks can provide immense insight. Network with legal professionals by attending industry events and career fairs. Building connections can open doors to future opportunities. Furthermore, cultivate essential soft skills such as public speaking, negotiation, and critical thinking. These abilities are just as vital as legal knowledge for a successful career, often making a 20% difference in professional effectiveness.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.